welcome back to my channel. I know you guys missed me so much, even though I have like 10 subscribers, but I know you guys missed me. So today I am going to be attempting to do my own individual lashes. I've never done this before, so if it's an epic fail, chances are you guys won't be watching this video right now because I'm not gonna post it. I have my cute little mirror right here. Let's get going. I also bought this like strip lash glue in black. I have my gold tweezers here because I'm golden and I'm a star. So I took all of my mascara off, as you can see, and I'm gonna start by applying the short lashes. Like I said, this is my first time doing this, so bear with me. I'm gripping the lash like by the end, but kind of towards the middle, very tight. I'm gonna dip it in the glue. Oh my God. Wow, she cute. Ooh, I should just leave it like that. She is cute. Ooh. Sorry, I'm dramatic, but I'm happy. And I know the estheticians are probably watching this video right now like, what the fuck? But hey, ain't nobody got $150 to be spending on lash extensions. Well, at least I don't. I wish I did. I went ahead and I did one eye off of camera. As you can see, like I said, it's my first time trying this, so I wanted to go ahead, do my trial and error, do the one eye, and I think it came out amazing. So a few tips is, I know in the beginning I said I was holding the lash by the middle. You want to literally hold it by the tip. I feel like that gave me so much more control. Secondly, allow your glue to get a little bit tacky before you start using it because it'll just stick better. When I first started, I dipped it right in the glue. That shit was sliding all over my eyelid, literally. Have your head up, look down into your mirror so you can place it right on the top of your lash. This is how much I used on my one eye out of the pack, and I feel like it's pretty full. I just feel like this looks so good for it to be my first time because I'm the type, I cannot even put on strips with tweezers. Like, I have to use my fingers, and half the time they still be fucked up. Let's get into this second eye. As you can see, I messed some of these up. Let me see if I can do this. It's easier to like grab it by the base. Can you see this? And pull it down. That seems so simple, but like, that's something that'll help you if you try this. You know, I went through all of this pain so y'all can have these tips and go ahead and do it flawlessly on the first try. Appreciate that. Another tip that I have is I just have like a little makeup wipe here. If you get any glue on your tweezers, make sure that you wipe it off, because when you grab the lash, if you have glue on your tweezers, the hair is gonna stick to the tweezers. So when you go to remove your tweezer, it's not gonna come off and you're just gonna yank it off. If they decide to twist and turn, you have to be comfortable with these tweezers around your eyes so you can really get in there and position it how you want. And also, I wouldn't make too many adjustments while the glue is still wet, because when you're done, you're gonna go ahead and pinch them. So I would just wait to make any adjustments until you pinch them, because you're gonna pull them bitches off. All your hard work down the drain. See, I feel like mine are kind of twisted up right now, but once I pinch them, they'll be all good. Oh, she's cute. She real cute. So my lashes are super curly, just like the rest of the hair on my body. So I feel like if you have straight hair, it'll be a lot easier to place them on top of your lashes. Since mine are like curled up, it's harder because I have to, like, you know, you get what I'm saying. Y'all, I know you fucking lying. Glue pockets. I think I'm supposed to put the glue in there so I can dip it. I know you fucking lying. Oh, that's cute. Stop playing. Oh shit, I might have did something there. Finally, I got that one on. Y'all, my fingers are cramping up so bad because these tweezers are tight. Like, I swear to God, this is how my shit feel. Okay, I am done, and for my first time, I think they came out amazing, absolutely amazing. It took me about an hour, to be honest. It took me about an hour. I already gave you guys my tips after doing my first eye. Make sure that your tweezers are clean before you pick up a fresh lash. Make sure that your glue gets tacky first. Don't let it get too tacky, but that'll prevent the hairs from sticking to the tweezers when you put it on. Make sure your lashes are clean. Make sure that they're brushed out. Oh yeah, also, if you're gonna do this, you need to be able to see. If you wear glasses, I suggest getting a magnified mirror because you really, really need to be able to see what you're doing, especially if you're using tweezers and you're by your eye. So yes, purchase a magnified mirror if you don't have one. My vision is pretty good, so I didn't have to use a magnified mirror, but let me give you guys a close-up. If you guys want to know how long these lasted me, you can comment or you can follow me on Instagram at TheRealTashana. If you have any tips, suggestions, questions, feel free to comment. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. And if not, still like and subscribe, you know. All right, and I'll see you guys in my next video.